For nice job for Jackson Forrest, and he goes leg attack right to a go behind. That is amazing. Elbow pass again. He is really good at that. He's got a all right. Nice little throw by for Jackson Forrest into a nope. I said takedown, but I was about to say takedown, but it doesn't look like he's got it yet. 2 points for red. And they're going to go 2 more red. Well, nope. White paddle. I wonder what else he can do with that elbow control. Nice headlock there by Askerbeck. He goes for 4. And now it's Jax that winds up on top. It's 8-6. Elbow control again for Jax Forrest. That's a chest-to-chest position. Maybe not the best place for him to be. And they get it 4 out of bounds. Single leg, double from space. Thunders, inside trip. And throws it by. Oh, just two. Askerbeck doesn't even want to run around the mat. He just wants to kind of walk.